Yeah, hi, this is Brent Foes. We're here at Foes Racing. We manufacture mountain bikes, that's our main job, but we also do some other stuff on the side to help other people out with their van needs and stuff. We use a van ourselves to haul our demo fleets around and stuff like that, but I found that there was a need, especially for the Ford Transits, to put bigger tires and wheels on it. So we created a product called TransitOffroad.com where we make accessories for the Ford Transit to actually beef up the suspension so you can put a lot of weight in there and not worry about the handling of the vehicle. We've got new products coming out every month, and it's a project that we do that we're able to do because we know suspension. Our background has been in suspension for a long time, so we found there was a necessity for it because we looked around, there was nothing available, so we've created our own product line. And if you have any interest, you have a Ford Transit, we can help you out.